What up, everybody? How's everyone today? I told you guys we will have the supercharge finally bolted up to the car, guys. Obviously, you guys can see we have the belt on. It's fully installed, not coming back off, guys. Last weekend we actually detailed the motor very well. It looks very nice. Another thing that we did, obviously you guys can see, we did get a new alternator. I end up running a 130 amp, just a little bit better than OEM. And since I was in here, I might as well, I don't want to do this job twice, guys. I end up getting a new tensioner, so that way it's just all nice and fresh and nice and tight. Obviously you guys can see we went with the Gates green belt. Obviously that's very legendary in the 03-04 community of the Cobras, of having the green belt. But yeah, guys, everything's installed for this. As for the supercharger, it's completely bolted up. The belt is completely ran. The lines are completely hooked up. So now from here, guys, all we're doing now is getting the intercooler installed, getting everything nice and tight, and then from there is pretty much just running everything for the cooler and for the dual blow-off valves, and just pretty much hoses everywhere. Nothing super crazy or anything like that. I can't believe we're already at this part of ownership of this car for 2.5 months or whatever, and look how far we have come on the car, guys. It's pretty crazy. We did pretty much a full build on this car. We didn't leave anything left out. We did go full balls out with this, so it's super excited to see it come this far. I guess it's time for me to order the tires, so that way once I get the underneath completely done with the suspension, all I have to do is lower the car back down and we are sitting low and looking mean, guys. Super excited, guys. Just want to give you guys an update video. But yeah, guys, I'm super happy. One thing I do want to show you guys real quick. If anyone with the 4.62 valve understands that getting the belt tensioner to be able to put the belt on is almost impossible. There's no room or any types or anything to be able to get in there to put the belt on. So what I did was take a monkey wrench, obviously tape it up so that way you don't damage anything. And all I did was put it in between here, put it on the tensioner, and then push down on the monkey wrench, and it actually opens up, and that way you could get the belt slipped on. So that's the easiest way to do a belt on the 4.62 valve, so 96 to 04. I checked the internet and everything, and I could not find anyone that could do an easier job. So I came up with this idea, and it worked perfect. It literally took me 2 seconds to put the belt on. Super easy, guys. Super excited. But yeah, guys, we are at the final stages now. Now it's just putting the injectors in, putting new spark plugs in, gap to the specs, and then just run a bunch of hoses and water and coolant and all that, and we are set, guys. We are almost ready to start the car, which is super exciting. I can't wait. It's gonna be unbelievable, guys. So thank you for watching the videos and staying up to date with the build. I'm super excited. Like I said, I got the engine bay clean. Now we're doing the final install of the supercharger. Got the oil in, got everything pretty much set up, guys. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please, once again, like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video, which is dropping tomorrow, because we are going to a motorcycle swap meet. So I have some motorcycle stuff coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys have a blessed